Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market looks bearish, triple Q SPY and Tesla gapping down. I think the markets may pop at open and then gradually fade. But going into market open, I'm more bearish than bullish. So that's the plan. We do have over 25 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Jumping in at 310. I'm in. Giving it some time. We have got in a bit early. I'm out. Should have given it some more time in the sense like my entry was not perfect. I got in a bit early, so I had to take it out. I got out around 360 and now it's at 490. That's sad to see, but I never knew it would make such a move. I was watching Tesla and Tesla was making new highs and I thought it would be good to book my profits and get out of the way. It was a second trade opportunity, but I missed it. Let's see what SPY wants to do. Took a U-turn, a bit hesitant to pull the trigger now because we do have a lower wick. I think SPY may make a new low and then quickly recover. Just made a new low. As I said, it's trying to curl back up. Now this is the kind of price action we are seeing in this market. See how the contract moved from $5 to $4 in split second. Again coming down. Then why we got this lower wick? So confusing, so choppy. Trading in this market is really difficult. I should admit that. Cannot trade the setup unless it wants to give me a bounce. SPY never gave me a bounce since my first trade and I'm almost nearing the 30 minutes timeout. So I think I'll wrap it up and call it a day. An okay day of trading, making close to around $50 in less than 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.